What you focus on expands. Literally, you have not, because you are focusing more on what you don't have as opposed to what it is that you already have. Have you been in a situation where you were stuck in one area or another, whether it's in your business or your personal life, and you're trying to figure out what's lacking, or you know what's lacking, and the more you try to solve that, the more of the same that you're getting. That's because that you're focusing on the wrong thing. Instead of seeing the problems, instead of seeing all that's going wrong, instead of seeing crisis, look for the gaps where opportunities lie. That's the big secret. Focus on the things that you can actually change. Don't focus on what you don't have. So recently, I lost my camera. It was misplaced for too long, like for days I'm talking about. And I was gutted because who wants to lose expensive equipment that you need for your business? I really had to consciously press in and focus on the fact that what I needed in the days that I did not have the camera, I already had. And just trust and believe that all things are working together for my good. And in fact, they did. Guess what? Camera turned up just this morning, just so. Try not to focus on the things that you don't have. What you need, you already have. And if you have it, then you have enough to generate more. And if that's the case, then there's no need to be despondent. So many times we get stuck because we feel that the gap between where we are and where we want to go is so wide and we have no way how to get there. But one of the things that you need to recognize is you already have all that you need. So do not focus on what you lack. Focus instead on what you have, what's available, what's in your hand. Use that. Use that to the glory of God, because you have been equipped with everything you need to succeed in life and in business. I guarantee you that.